Alright, it's George from Lights and Sounds, and you're watching Chasing Safety. Yeah! Right outside James's house, just getting some stuff in the van, everyone's getting ready. Hello mate. And then we're going to hit the road to Derby.
To show your skill.
Derby was wicked. It was pure banging. That's what they say in Derby.
Look at my sweat. That's how you know how good it is.
Because we get it on every day and every night. Hear this platinum thing right here? But we're doing it all the time. So you better get some better beats and get some better rhymes. We got the game set, so don't complain yet. 24/7, never begging for a rain check.
Arrived in Southampton. Beautiful, beautiful day. Driving for about 2.5 hours. Been excellent. And sound check's in half an hour, so we're just going to go into the town, give out some flyers and recruit.
Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Hey ladies, hey fellas, and the people that don't give up. Now I all the love. Tits. We were looking for a new sensation. We were looking for the next big thing. All we wanted was a new sensation. Show the world, to show the world we're here. And I would like to make a talk.
So tired, so hot.
Southampton, Southampton, Hampton, Southampton, Hampton, yeah.
And would you like to have that feeling?
Just come from Southampton and we're going to Brighton, but we've stopped off for some petrol. We're all pretty knackered, but having a good time. The sun is out, we're going to chill on the beach today, it should be fun times.
Sensation. We were looking for the next big thing. All we wanted was a new sensation. Show the world, to show the world we're here. In your eyes, there's a light that makes you alive. For the hopes and the highs and the years that you try, just let them inside. Just let them inside.
We're here at the Free Butt. It's Brighton, the city of love, of all sorts of love. And we've just done a sound check. It's perfectly good. It's a very nice venue. Hopefully there'll be people coming to see us because sometimes people like what we do. They like our music and they come and watch us. They don't, do they? He's shaking his head. Yeah, the guy behind the camera is shaking his head.
Was a new sensation. Show